red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. So kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H, the alphabets of H, and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N, the alphabets of N, and use black color. And N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. Kids, now you draw T, the alphabets of T, and use green color. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Kids, now you draw Y, the alphabets of Y, and use blue color. Y for yak. And last you draw Z for zebra. Sky blue color, yellow color, purple color, light green color, orange color, light green color, brown color, pink color, blue color, dark green color, black color, and red color. So kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, 2. Kids, now you draw 3, the numbers of 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6, 7. Kids, now you draw 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11, 12. Kids, now you draw 13, the numbers of 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16, the numbers of 16, 17. Kids, now you draw 18, the numbers of 18, 19. And last we draw 20. Black color, light green color, sky blue color, light green color, purple color, dark green color, green color, yellow color, red color, brown color, and orange color. So okay, so now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D, the alphabet of D. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. It's now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. It's now you draw K. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O, the alphabets of O. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R, the alphabets of R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V, the alphabets of V. V for van. W for whale. X for telephone. Y for yak. And Z for zoo. Purple color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, pink color, green color, red color, light green color, yellow color, black color, and light green color. So kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11, 12, 13, 14. It's now you draw 15. The numbers of 15, 16, 17, 18. It's now you draw 19. The numbers of 19, 20, 21. It's now you draw 22, 23, 24, 25. It's now you draw 26, 26, 27, 28, 29. Last you draw 30. The numbers of 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.